Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is the place to be for first looks, deep dives, and real talk about the latest vehicles hitting the market. If that sounds like your thing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Today we're checking out something a little different. A true workhorse that just got a modern refresh. It's the all-new 2026 GMC Savana 3500, officially unveiled. And we've got the first look right here. Now, if you're someone who values utility, durability, and power, the Savana has probably already been on your radar. And for 2026, GMC is keeping things familiar, but with a fresh update that makes this classic van more capable and practical than ever before. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Savana 3500 doesn't try to be flashy. It's still that boxy, no-nonsense design built for function over flair. But it's definitely had a bit of a modern makeover. The front grille has been reworked to give it a bolder, more defined look, and the LED headlights are a nice upgrade, offering better visibility and a sharper appearance. The bumper's been slightly redesigned too, adding a bit more ruggedness. It's tough, it's clean, and it looks like it's ready to get down to business. On the sides, you'll see practical touches like wider side mirrors with optional blind spot monitoring, updated door handles, and new wheel options depending on the trim. Rear access is still easy with swing-out doors and a low step-in height, which is perfect for loading and unloading cargo quickly. Whether you're using it for commercial deliveries as a mobile workshop or converting it into a van life rig, it's got the bones to handle it all. Under the hood, the Savana 3500 continues to offer serious performance. You've got two engine options for 2026. First is the tried-and-true 6.6-liter V8, pushing out around 401 horsepower and 464 lb-ft of torque, which is more than enough to haul heavy loads, trailers, or just about anything you can throw at it. And if you need something more fuel-efficient or want to go green, there's also a new turbocharged 2.7-liter inline-4 that's surprisingly capable and delivers better fuel economy without sacrificing too much grunt. Power is sent through a 10-speed automatic transmission, and yes, rear-wheel drive comes standard with available all-wheel drive for those needing more traction in tough conditions. Payload and towing capacities are right where they need to be for a commercial van in this class, making it a reliable choice for fleets and small businesses alike. Inside, the interior is all about function, but GMC's added a bit more comfort and tech for 2026. The layout is clean and durable. Think heavy-duty materials that are easy to wipe down and built to take abuse. You'll find improved seating with more lumbar support, optional heated seats, and even a refreshed dash layout with more storage cubbies. Tech-wise, the 2026 Savana now features a 7-inch or optional 10-inch touchscreen running GMC's latest infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. You've also got USB-C ports, Bluetooth, and optional Wi-Fi hotspot capability, so you can stay connected on the go, whether you're running a business or just need GPS that doesn't lag. Safety is also getting a nice upgrade. Standard features now include forward collision alert, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. There's even an optional rear-view camera mirror, which makes backing up this big van way easier, especially when the cargo area is fully loaded. As for pricing, the 2026 GMC Savana 3500 is expected to start around $45,000, depending on the configuration. Of course, options like extended wheelbase, tech packages, or upfitted interiors will raise that number. But for a full-size van with serious capability and modern features, it's a competitive place to start. So there you have it, the 2026 GMC Savana 3500. It's not flashy, it's not trying to reinvent the wheel, but it's built for people who need to get stuff done, and now it does that better than ever. Let me know in the comments what you think. Would you go with the V8 or the new Turbo 4? Are you team cargo van, or would you convert this into your next off-grid camper? I want to hear your take. And of course, if you like this video and want more updates on new vehicles as they drop, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.